Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.48 trillion. We are up 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 38.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see in the last 1 hour, we are starting to see green once again in the markets. But over the last 24 hours, we did re-enter back into some mild red. But overall, compared to last week, the market is looking quite more green. And, things are looking not as bad. So that's definitely what we want to be seeing right now. But one thing to keep in mind right now is that Bitcoin is still not out of the woods just yet, in my personal opinion, because we're still below $60,200 mark, but so far so good. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that has been gaining major traction and has been climbing up the coin market ranking and along with CoinGecko ranking, which is none other than Bittorrent. All right, my Bittorrent family, if we are looking at the Bittorrent price right now, guys, another day, another absolute green day for Bittorrent. Looking at Bittorrent price right now, we are currently sitting at 0.0042 cents, guys. We're up 27.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 28% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap right now is $3.9 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is at $3 billion. And that's something very impressive. I had pointed this out to you guys yesterday as well. The 24-hour trading volume is looking very nice, and the overall ranking, Bittorrent has officially entered the top 50 and currently ranked at top 46. So that's definitely something that is nice to see. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,120%. And obviously in the last 14 days, we are up 27%. But, let's not forget the broader picture when we are viewing the prices for Bittorrent. But now let's get right into the news, guys. But before I begin, I just want to share something that is very huge in my personal opinion. Tron Foundation posted this. Well, VanEck US is now holding Tron, guys, and ETN worth of more than 1 billion TRX, guys. VanEck is one of the first asset management companies to submit a Bitcoin ETF application to the U.S. regulatory SEC. Since its establishment, Tron has spared no effort in global compliance. Very bullish, guys. And also, the market cap of USDT TRX exceeded USDT ETH, reaching $39 billion on December 6th. Very insane. And, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, I had been saying this for quite a while to you guys. And if you're a regular viewer and you've been watching since then, you guys can leave the comment section below if you guys remember me saying this. Tron is by far one of the most, slept on blockchains right now, and it's finally gaining some traction. Now, you may be coming up and saying, if you're new to the markets, you may be saying, hey, Crypto ZX, what does Bittorrent have to do with Tron? Bittorrent is built on the Tron blockchain, so they are very much correlated. If the Tron ecosystem grows, so will every altcoin that is built on the TRX. TRX blockchain, and obviously Bittorrent is one of them. And obviously we know that Justin Sun owns both of them, so that correlates with this situation as well. But right now, guys, if we're looking at the Bittorrent price right now, something very interesting is happening with the Bittorrent price. So if you are a Bittorrent holder, guys, in the next coming days, this could be very bullish for the overall Bittorrent community and for its price. So the next days are very important, and if Bittorrent is able to do one thing, I believe it's off to the races. Looking at Bittorrent's price right now, guys, you guys can definitely not make this up. Bittorrent is still chilling in this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but this time around, guys, we are trying to break out of this level of resistance that I've been talking about. And you guys can literally see we did touch this level already earlier today at this 0.00426 cents mark, but we were unable to break above it. But one thing to keep in mind right now is that the 24-hour trading volume is very, very high, and I would not be surprised that we, push out of here and onto the 61.8. And right now we could possibly break out after I upload this video. We are sitting at some very, very crucial price levels for the price of Bittorrent. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, guys, like I have mentioned, if you guys picked up some Bittorrent around that 0.002 cents mark, you're already up, guys. You're already up 103% in the last 2 to 3 days. Absolutely insane times to be picking up some BTT around there. And obviously you guys know what has been going on. If you don't really know why BTT has been gaining a lot of traction, the main reason as to why that is because Bittorrent mainnet is launching on December 7th, which is literally 6 days away from now on. And obviously that is creating a lot of hype and buzz across the board. But what a time, guys. What a time to bring out this mainnet. And this is why I said Justin Sun knows what he's doing. So, when it comes time to deliver, he definitely delivers. And right now, Bittorrent is looking extremely, extremely bullish, guys. We did not see this type of volume since back in May, guys. You cannot make this up. So breakout is very, very imminent. And then you guys already know my next price target. My next price target for Bittorrent is around this range, which is at the 0.00543 cents mark, guys. This is a very, very important level. If Bittorrent is able to break out of this range, guys, then basically it's time to buckle up. I do see Bittorrent heading back into the 0.50 and possibly even into the 38.2 very, very fast, because right now, guys, we are in a bull run. If you guys don't know, cryptocurrencies can literally fly through the roof in a bull run. And, this is where your patience is very much tested. I know a lot of people lost hope around here. A lot of people, especially the newcomers coming into the space, guys, I've been reading your comments as I have said in my previous video. A lot of people did end up losing hope during this time around, when we consolidated. But again, guys, this is cryptocurrencies. Not everything is going to go up at once. We are going to have consolidation phases, which could be very, very boring. But that's where your patience is tested. But I really do believe if Bittorrent price, guys, hear me out once again, if Bittorrent price is able to break out of the 0.00543 cents mark, we are headed towards, possibly newer all-time highs very, very fast. One thing to keep in mind is that the overall supply of Bittorrent will increase by, a big amount, but that could affect the price in the immediate short term, but we will see how that plays out. That would be very, very interesting to see right now. But for short term, guys, I do see this as my next price target for the price of Bittorrent. And if we break out of here, guys, then you guys already know we're headed to that major level of resistance at that 0.007 cents mark. And then once we break out of there, guys, then it's basically all-time high zone if we do have enough traction on our end. So so far so good, but one thing to keep in mind right now is none other than this guy over here, the king of the markets, guys, Bitcoin has once again unable to get back into the 23.6, but obviously the 23.6 is quite a bit far away as of now. We did manage to get to Bitcoin all the way up to $52,000. Definitely something we like seeing, but overall, it is holding around this 38.2 zone. But I personally want a Bitcoin to go back to this price point, as I have mentioned to you guys, at the $6,240 level. That's where I believe we have seen a bottom. My confirmation is set at $59,000. Once Bitcoin reaches $59,000, I would personally believe that the bottom has been reached and we are headed towards newer highs. But until then, we're definitely not out of the woods just yet. BTC dominance, on the other hand, has been declining, but has been holding around that 41 to 42% range. So not much difference on that end of the spectrum. But that is it for today's update, guys. Bittorrent is looking quite bullish. Like I said, these are my price targets that I am eyeing out right now as we speak. but we will see what happens in the next coming day. I will keep you guys updated on everything BitTorrent related, and we will be sharing, the latest and the greatest news with you guys. But let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see BitTorrent go in the immediate short term? And the reason as to why I am saying that this price point is very important is because this would be the first time, this would mark the first time BitTorrent is breaking out of this range since this initial price drop that we've seen back earlier this year around May. So, very exciting time indeed for the overall BitTorrent community, but we do need to keep two factors in mind. And that, no, not two factors mainly, it's one factor, which is the price of Bitcoin. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now? What is your game strategy? Where could you see BitTorrent go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. If I can ask you guys for one single favor, and that is if you can like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the absolute world for me. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Literally from the bottom of my heart, guys. Your guys' support means the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys, and thanks once again for always showing love. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Do not forget to stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.